This is the GoPro Hero 10, and this is the Insta360 One X2. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing the internal audio abilities of both of these action cameras. Normally, I'd never recommend using the internal mics on a camera, but as these are both action cameras, there's probably going to be occasions where you don't feel like fitting an external mic to them. So in order to compare the two, I'm going to do a few tests. First of all, we're going to test them sitting in the car. Then we're going to take them outside in a suburban environment in low wind. After that, we'll do a busy high street test. And for the final test, regular viewers to the channel will not be surprised that I'll be hiking to the top of a hill to do a high wind test. So before we get into that, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. It costs you nothing, but it's a really big help to small channels like us, and we really appreciate it. Okay, let's do it. So this is the internal audio from the GoPro Hero 10 sitting here inside the car. And this is the internal audio from the Insta360 One X2 sitting inside the car. So let's head outside and check out the wind resistance of both these cameras. So this is the Insta360 One X2, walking outdoors with reasonably low wind. How does this sound? And this is the GoPro Hero 10 in the same place, walking outdoors, reasonably low wind, on quite a nice sunny day. Very unusual for England. So this is what the GoPro Hero 10 sounds like walking down Alderley Edge High Street on a reasonably busy afternoon. And this is what the One X2 sounds like walking down Alderley Edge High Street. Okay, so the final test, we're out here on top of a hill in the middle of nowhere, and as you can see, we're in a wide open space here and there's quite a lot of wind, so this is a really good test of these internal mics. This is the Insta360 One X2. Yeah, quite a lot of wind hitting this camera now, so it'll be interesting to see how this sounds. Let's switch over to the GoPro Hero 10. So this is the internal audio from the GoPro Hero 10 out here on a really windy hill in the middle of nowhere. A lot of wind hitting this camera now, so it'd be really interesting to see how the internal mics handle this wind. Okay, that's it. Which one do you think fared better? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. This is the GoPro Hero 10, and this is the Insta360 One X2.